Edible decorations, a sweet addition to any celebration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that combines food and art: edible decorations. Whether you're planning a party or just want to spruce up your daily meals, understanding this phrase will surely add a flavorful twist to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore the world of edible decorations together. Edible decorations refer to any food items used to decorate or embellish other foods, making them more appealing and enjoyable to eat. Unlike traditional decorations, which are purely ornamental and not meant to be eaten, edible decorations serve the dual purpose of enhancing the visual appeal and adding to the taste or texture of a dish. Common examples include chocolate shavings on a cake, fruit slices in a cocktail, or fresh herbs on a savory dish. Edible decorations come in various forms, suitable for different occasions and dishes. Here are a few popular types. Fruit and vegetable carvings, artistic carvings or shapes made from fruits and vegetables used to garnish plates or buffets. Edible flowers, flowers that can be consumed and are used to add color and elegance to salads, cakes, and drinks. Sugarcraft, intricate decorations made from sugar for cakes and pastries, including figures, flowers, and lace patterns. Chocolate and candy designs, chocolate, candies, and other sweet treats molded or shaped into various decorative elements. Incorporating edible decorations into your meals is not only about making the food look attractive but also about enhancing the overall eating experience. Here are some tips on how to use them. 1. Match the decoration to the dish. Choose decorations that complement the flavors and theme of your dish. 2. Consider the occasion. Elegant sugarcraft might be perfect for a wedding cake, while colorful fruit carvings could brighten up a summer party. 3. Be mindful of dietary restrictions. Always consider the dietary needs and restrictions of your guests when choosing edible decorations. Using edible decorations has several benefits. Enhances visual appeal, makes dishes more visually appealing and enticing, adds flavor and texture, can introduce new flavors or textures to a dish, encourages creativity, provides an outlet for artistic expression in cooking, eco-friendly. Since they're edible, there's no waste from non-consumable decorations. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the creative and tasty world of edible decorations. Not only do they make your dishes look more appealing, but they also add an extra layer of flavor and fun to your meals. Whether you're a budding chef or just looking to spice up your daily dishes, remember that the beauty of edible decorations lies in their ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting English language learning content. Happy decorating, and see you in the next video.